If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2025 Jeep Compass Latitude in Red Hot Pearl. With active lane management system, full speed forward collision warning, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P10024.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.